Staying consistent with a meditation routine can be quite difficult. So why don't you try this one shift that I teach my clients? It's a 5-minute singing based technique. It's very short so you can implement it into your busy schedule, but it's still very effective. And if you would like afterwards to put the singing technique into a singing meditation, then just comment sing. I'm going to reach out and give you a link to a very beginner friendly 10-minute singing meditation. I'm Energy, and my intention is to give you an alternative to silent meditation, just in case you're bored by silent meditation. I'm also the creator of the stress releasing method. You can check it out on my website. I'm going to put the link into the description box. So this 5-minute practice is very effective. You can do it in a standing position or sitting down, but just don't do it while driving or taking a bath. When we start doing this, it's not about singing performance, it's not about pitch. You can choose a note that you want, but you can just follow the note that I choose. And you're going to notice with every hum, your breath becomes slower and the hum too becomes longer. Okay, so just let's start. We're going to start with breathing. We put one hand on the chest, the other hand on our belly, sorry. We close our eyes and we start breathing. And when we breathe out, we just gently hum. your eyes. I bet you're feeling better now than before. So if you would like to implement the singing technique in a singing meditation, which is made of relaxing music and more of the breathing and singing and humming, and just come and sing, I'm going to send you the link to a very beginner-friendly 10-minute singing meditation. And if you are convinced now that this could be your new meditation practice, then check out my stress relief singing method. I have morning, lunch, dinner ritual, singing meditation ritual in it. And you can check it out on my website. I'm going to put the link in the description box. You see, I'm so relaxed, I can't even form the words. I'm going to put the link in the description box. So take care and have a relaxed day. See you in the next video.